Here's a beauty, 1962 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop, by far one of the most popular body style Impalas here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Couple great things about this car. First of all, original 927 paint code, anniversary gold, has been fully restored as far as exterior. Under the hood, it now has a 409 V8 that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, vintage AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the bright work as far as the chrome of the bumper, headlight surrounds, grille, looking good on the front of this car. And as you can see, that paint does show very well. There's a 3-ring binder that goes with this car, and there's a bunch of information on the build of the engine. I'm not going to be able to get into all the details. We'll have a picture of that in with the still pictures. Like I said, full 3-ring binder of miscellaneous receipts, photos of the restoration, engine apart, body work that was done to it. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Like I said, I'll get that information on the engine, a picture of that in there so you can kind of take a peek at it. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Krager SS chrome wheels with the tri-bar spinners. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. You can see how nice and straight these panels are. Not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Original gold interior with a bench seat. And you can see, still looking very much the same way it would have, as it did back in 1962. A little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash, and then the outlets for the AC, of course. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We'll start it up in here too, let you see and hear how it runs. As you can see from the rear to the front of the car on that passenger side, and how straight those panels are. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There you get a look at the iconic 6 taillights, and of course the chrome and the bright work in the rear of this Impala, dual antennas. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. Hey, if you're into Impalas, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. One of our better selling models here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily of the vehicles as well as the pictures. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you can see it to make us in person. As we take a look down this driver's side, you can see, again, panels nice and straight. Paint shows well. We'll take a little closer look at the interior. Like I said, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. All right, door panels. Nice shape. Carpeting, seats, kind of a vinyl and cloth blend. Combination between the two. Solid pattern, stripe pattern also, but yeah, cloth and vinyl. Seat belts intact up front. Kind of an era correct. A little older tack on the steering column. Heat blows hot, AC blows cold, noted by the techs. Now, that 409, when we pop the hood, 2 4-barrels sitting on it, so dual quads. Tachometer working. I believe the tech did say they had the radio working too. Let's let that warm up a second. Oil pressure. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Voltmeter. We have a light on the radio. Radio's working. Good sounding car. Oh, I should hear this idle. Headliner. Nice shape. Oh, nicely that door closed. And listen to this. Ooh, that sounds good. A little rumble coming out of that 409 big block. All right, I tell you what, let me pause this a second. I want to take a peek underneath the hood. Let you take a look at the engine bay. I'm gonna pop the trunk open too so we can check out that trunk. I believe it was finished off quite nicely. All right, got her opened up front and back here for you to take a peek at. There it is, 409, looks like a new master cylinder on there. Dual floor barrels, as I mentioned, vintage AC. And again, in with the still pictures, there is a whole write-up of engine work that was done to this. I believe it was roller rockers. They talk about the grind to the cam, all of that information. Check it out. It's in with the still pictures. It's a good looking engine bay, no doubt about that. And let's slip around to the back. I mentioned I'd pop the trunk on her for you too, so you can take a peek at that. And again, listen to that 409. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have a feeling this one might take home some trophies. So as you can see, trunk also finished off nicely. This is glued down, just so you know. Looks good. Remember, there's that 3-ring binder full of receipts, miscellaneous information, a bunch of pictures. Check with your sales consultant. Original anniversary gold car, 927, paint code 1962. Chevrolet Impala, 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Chevrolet Impala, a very nice one. A very smooth running car, great looking car. This car is well done. It's a 3-speed manual on the floor. V8 powered. Lots of power for a 62. I'm impressed. This has a period correct looking tachometer mounted to the column. Clock right in the middle. Fuel gauge reading between 1/4 and 1/2 a tank. There are warning lights for the temperature, and our speedometer is working great, showing 50 miles an hour currently. Factory stereo works. And actually sounds really good. Oil pressure showing 65 psi. That is on a triple gauge set down below the dash. Water temperature 150, and the volts are at 14. Very smooth ride out of this car. Great looking seat, great looking carpet, dash, headliner. Let's go to second for this roundabout. Clutch feels really good. Easy and smooth to shift. Corners as it should for a 62 Chevy. And it's a little slick. Wow. So that was second gear, and the back end tipped out on me because of the power. Being that we just had a couple sprinkles and the road is slightly damp. So if you're looking for something that's got capability, this one has some power. It is fun to drive. In really nice condition. Check out all the pictures of this 62 Impala at UniqueClassicCars.com.